In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello template from a board. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log in to Trello. So go ahead and open your favorite web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once there, look for the Login button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it, and then sign in using either your email address or your Google account, whichever you prefer. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your workspace. On your Trello homepage, you'll see a section called Boards. This gives you an overview of all your boards. Take a moment to scroll down until you reach the area labeled Your Workspaces. Here, you can select the specific workspace where you want to start creating your template. This helps keep everything organized. Next, let's select a template. Once you're on the board's main page, you'll spot a plus sign, which looks like a little button with a plus symbol on it. Go ahead and click that. A menu will appear with various options. Look for the one that says Start with a Template. This will lead you to a variety of templates available for use. Spend some time browsing through the list and choose a template that resonates with the needs of your project. Remember, picking the right template can really streamline your workflow down the line. After you've picked your template, it's time to configure your new board. Start by naming your board. You'll see a text field where you can enter a descriptive name that reflects what your board will be about. Next, confirm which workspace will act as the container for this board. This is important for keeping everything organized. Now let's talk about visibility. Here, you need to decide whether your board should be private, visible to your workspace, or public. This is crucial for controlling who can see and interact with your content. Lastly, if you want to retain the pre-configured cards from the template you've selected, be sure to check the corresponding box. It's a handy feature that saves you time. We're almost there. You're now ready to finalize the setup. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click the Create button to make your board live. Aren't you excited? Your new board is officially created. Now comes the fun part. You can begin customizing the pre-configured lists and cards to better suit your specific project requirements. Feel free to add or remove lists, adjust card details, and make it your own. This customization is what makes Trello such a powerful tool for project management. And there you go. You've successfully created a Trello template from a board. Now you can replicate this process anytime you need to set up a new project. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that like button. Your support means a lot, and it encourages us to keep creating content like this. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.